For weeks now, the message has been clear: wear a mask. And it turns out Coloradans are listening, and health officials are watching just to make sure.
I think the numbers look fantastic.
Standing outside popular businesses around the state, health officials have an eye on who's wearing a mask and who isn't.
It's pretty simple, but I think it's pretty powerful.
Since April, the Tri-County Health Department has been keeping track of how many people have been covering their faces. Back in May and June, the number hovered around 60 or 80%. Now, the health department is reporting more than 90% of people in Adams, Arapahoe, and Douglas counties are wearing masks.
To really get a good understanding of the landscape out there in terms of folks who are wearing masks going in and out of stores.
Brian Hlavasek works with Tri-County Health. The department is the first in the state to have volunteers tally up how many people they see wearing masks.
It's really going to a variety of stores in the community. It could be big box stores like King Soopers or Safeway or Home Depot, or even some smaller stores, and spending 30 minutes just making observations, people going in and out.
If we know that folks are wearing a mask, we know that folks are taking measures to protect themselves and protect other people.
Gunnison County also started doing the mask surveys. The health department there found between 83 and 93% of people are wearing masks.
I think folks are doing a terrific job here. I'm really impressed.
If people want to ski and keep businesses open, Joni Reynolds says wearing a mask is a good first step.
And we want folks to come here. We want folks to be able to visit our community safely. We want to keep our community safe and everyone who lives here safe.
In Denver, I'm Mark Salinger, 9 News.
Right now, the health departments are focused on keeping track on how many people are wearing masks inside of businesses, but they hope to eventually be able to track how many people are wearing masks at public events and even out on the trails.